Okay, my man.
Okay, we're gonna work on the tranny. First, we gotta work on your washer.
Yeah.
Gonna shorten it. Like my new tool.
Yeah. Oh, you got one, huh?
You were picking on me.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know how you did that.
You were picking on me, so
I know
made
it.
a tool.
I hate to see you torture your fingers on that, man.
It was only hot a little bit.
Yeah.
It only burned it a little bit.
Yeah. Well, you know, it builds up strength. You know, pain is weakness leaving your body.
That's right. So
The
where's
more
washer?
pain you can take, the stronger you are.
Yeah. See, the problem is I can't make a new one because I don't have another one.
Uh-oh. He said he'd give me one in one day.
He did, huh?
Mm-hmm. Or you could get one in one day from drag, right?
I'm not a drag guy.
Oh.
So this is 108. We already cut that down to a 5. So we'll get back to this when we get to it.
Okay.
But basically, it just goes like that.
Coolness.
I go like that, and I go.
Yeah, a little more than that, yeah.
I'm over here.
Yeah, I know.
Did a lot of filming down there yesterday.
I was close to here.
Yeah, I watched the video last
Oh,
night.
you shouldn't have done that. You know now, huh?
There's a lot of video.
Well, I try not to do that, you know. But I get into my game sometime, you know. I'm like,
There's a lot of
what's
video.
going on, man? Look at the bright light, George.
Yeah. All right, transmission. Appears to be in pieces.
Yep, lots of pieces.
So we got a new bearing, got a new gear, got another new bearing, goes over there. Got a snap ring, goes there. You put all that together.
Yep.
And a wash, screwdriver.
Lube it. Gonna lube it?
I don't know how loose was this in here.
Yeah. Felt like it was going to drop in.
Was it loose in there?
It felt like it was going to drop in.
What does? I don't know.
See, I can just stand here and I don't even move, see, and I'm right on it.
We don't have to lose. You're like a tripod.
I know it. I'm a stationary object.
That's right. So we're going to take all of this stuff, all of it.
Every bit of it, including that
Yeah,
piece.
I'm going to go this way.
Do the press thing.
I'm going to stop right over here. We're going to grab something here. It goes in that hole right there. That's too big. About that one. Ah, I just it by a little bit.
Man, you didn't go to sleep when you went home last night? Jeez, I stayed up for a couple hours. I shouldn't say it, but I was
Work to do. Sleeping on bed. Okay. A lot of work to do here.
Yeah, man.
I figured to see over. First thing I'm gonna do is put this bearing right here in.
Okay.
There's a flat surface here to push against. It goes right in there like that.
Mm-hmm.
That pushes on it. And that goes there.
Guten Tag.
That's only 3 tons.
Yeah. I could do that much with my teeth.
There you go. Bearings in. It rotates. That's a good sign.
Yeah.
Okay, that part's done. That was pretty hard to do.
Yeah.
Okay,
Work up a sweat on that.
Now we need to push this thing into here.
Uh-huh.
Maybe this one into here.
Uh-huh.
We need to push this into here.
You got the left side or the right side?
Now how loose is this in here? You remember?
Yeah, I thought it was loose, but evidently I hope it's not loose.
You hope it's not.
It didn't spin. Did it spin?
I don't know. We don't have it in there yet.
But to look at the metal, it never turned in there, did
So
it?
I'm going to put some anti-spin lubricant on here.
Yeah. Otherwise known as Loctite.
Yeah, that'd be the one.
Don't drink that unless you drink WD right after it. Chase it with WD.
That's what you do.
Yeah.
Is that on the instruction label?
Yeah. And you won't have to eat for days. Nothing to come. If it don't come out, it can't go in.
Sounds like a plan.
And the way you do it, Gino?
He's choking on it right now. Didn't you hear him? Okay. Now, this is usually not very flat on this side.
Mm-hmm.
So this doesn't go in flat. It isn't flat. So you got nothing flat
Yeah,
to
yeah,
push
yeah.
on.
You can't find a flat spot.
There is no
There's a
flat
flat spot.
No, there is no flat spot.
But then you don't have any strength, huh?
All you can do is get kind of close to semi-flat, but not flat. So that's why it goes in an angle.
Mm-hmm. Just like a tripod, man. Bada bing, bada boom.
Yes, I got loose.
Yeah, man. Popped in there, sucked in there like a suction on it. Oh, yeah.
That's not very good.
No.
No. Oh well.
Will it tighten up with your little ring in there?
It'll tighten up with Loctite eventually. There's other tricks you could have done too, but I didn't do them. It's too tall. You could peen the surface.
Mm-hmm.
Give it something to hold in there while you're waiting for the Loctite to set up. Or we'll just go ahead and let the Loctite do its job. It's not very flat, see?
Mm-hmm. That is tight, my man.
That part is tight. Ooh, that is
Oh, quit
sharp.
doing that, man.
I found another sharp spot. Now this has to go in here to hold it together.
There's a certain way to go?
It goes in the hole, yes.
It's not a flat surface on one side or nothing.
Yeah.
I got you.
See how hard that was?
Mm-hmm.
Then we have our screwdriver to double check it.
Make sure it's in there.
It's in there. Now when the clutch activates this, it pushes it inward like that. So we want the Loctite to set up with it in.
Mm-hmm.
That way it'll set. And see, it's already not moving very much. The
Mhm.
Loctite's already starting to do its job.
Yeah.
So we're going to make sure that stays on that side, because when you push the clutch in on this thing, it pushes this direction.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure it always goes that way when you assemble it. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Don't lose that.
Don't lose it.
Put all this crap away, you know?
Going back over there.
We're going back that direction.
Okay. Recording.
Okay, we got our new shaft. Got some grease.
Silk aluminum. Don't like my grease.
Somebody
huh?
made a mess.
My grease ain't good enough. Huh?
Somebody made a mess in my container already.
Oh, coolness. I never saw that before.
Slick, huh? Some racing shit. Okay, you're going to put a little bit of lubricant on this, because this runs dry when you start the bike up.
Uh-huh.
Makes all kinds of noise. Now one of these two goes on there.
One's a little bigger than the other one. Taller. Right? Just a tad.
Taller, okay. That's one way taller. What's the difference?
One's got a groove for the oil.
Which one's the main shaft?
I'm going to guess this one.
Wrong.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why has this one got grooves in it for oil, right?
Yeah.
And this one doesn't?
Doesn't need any oil.
Okay, because it's always spinning.
There's a groove. How's my foot down there, look?
Oh. Man, you catch me every time, man. Well, shit, you gotta look, man.
So there's the groove you're talking about.
Yeah.
And see, this one has a groove too.
I'm only human.
See, when it's like this, there's no groove. It's like this is groove.
What do you think, you're dealing with a machine here?
Yeah, obviously. The difference is 5 dogs is main shaft,
Uh-huh.
4 dogs is counter shaft.
Oh, okay.
That's how you tell them apart. See, 5.
Oh, I didn't even see that, yeah. Yeah.
See?
Oh, okay.
5.
Yeah.
4. So where's this go?
Counter shaft.
No,
No, it's main shaft?
main shaft.
And the counter shaft's the one with the 4.
4.
Oh, okay, I did it backwards. You know I'm dyslexic, too.
Yeah, it's stupid too.
Yeah, stupid, dyslexic.
At least you're not filming my foot right now.
Hey, when you get old and you're stupid, how would you know if you had Alzheimer's?
You wouldn't. I would have told you.
You got that, too?
I would have told you.
Oh, man.
It wouldn't have been a secret.
Yeah. At least
Okay.
everybody's on the same page.
So we got a snap ring.
Yeah.
We got a washer. Another washer. These are washers with titties, so they got little titties on them.
Uh-huh. Little tiny ones, man.
What's the difference between main shaft and counter?
Well, let's see. That one's got only one little titty on it, huh?
It's 2 titties.
Oh, it does have 2. Okay, and this one's got 1.
Number 1.
Oh, it's got 2.
It's got 1 there, 1 there.
Well, what's the difference? I give up.
One's big, one's small.
Oh, okay. One's, yeah,
Which
one's
one
a little
goes
taller.
where?
That one looks like it goes on there.
Big one goes on main shaft.
Okay. Counter shaft gets less of everything, huh?
Counter shaft. Get the small one.
Mm-hmm.
See that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We'll get to that
Bitching.
later.
Bitching. Oh, don't say
Some
that. Yeah.
grease.
Yeah.
Where's this one go?
Okay, that's the main shaft.
No, it's counter shaft. That's
Shit.
before.
Oh, shoot.
See, this one's already on the main shaft.
Okay, damn it.
That was your first
I'm
clue.
dyslexic as hell, man.
Yeah, I'm last. We're not even going to ask you no more.
I know. I can.
Okay, you got to put your snap ring down here. That's what holds the gear on.
Main shaft gets the most. It's the biggie.
That's the big one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing here.
Trying to get myself. This main shaft's very sharp too, because Andrews didn't deburr at all. Okay,
Main shaft is fine.
okay, you make sure that's in there all the way.
Uh-huh.
Then you make sure this still rotates.
Uh-huh.
You got a little in clearance.
Uh-huh. Main shaft.
Yeah.
Main shaft gets.
You know, so you're
Yeah.
filming right here.
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm close to it.
Yeah,
Close.
well, you're filming over
Well,
here.
okay, yeah, but
You're supposed to be looking over here. Now, let's see, this has an inflay in it.
Uh-huh.
I can't see it. I have to go
Oh
like
no,
that.
I can see it.
Okay.
I'm looking right on it, man.
I have to keep looking at the camera to see what you're filming.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Yeah, that's a good job.
Yeah. And I'll say so anyway. Okay. Counter shaft.
What's different?
That this one looks bigger. Okay, it's got more spline. This is your counter shaft. This is your main.
Why?
Because this one looks like it fits that. This one fits that
This
one.
one's bigger.
Yeah.
One's smaller.
Mm-hmm.
But they're the same size this way.
The smaller shaft is your main shaft.
Now you're backwards. again.
Backwards again, counter shaft.
You had it right, then you went the other way again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now these are press fit or not. In this case, it appears to be a press fit.
Yeah.
So that means you have to do what?
Press it.
That's right. It's depressing.
No, man. Okay, putting in the main shaft. Yeah, now.
Is this the counter shaft we're working on?
Main shaft.
Main shaft. Making sure you're paying attention.
Main shaft and.
Okay, we gotta get the center out. It stopped. Why?
I don't know. That's it, huh?
It hit a shoulder.
That's it.
Okay, there's your main shaft assembly.
That's it.
Pretty good, right?
That's it?
That's it.
No more gears on that puppy?
All you get.
No more gears?
When you buy it from Harley in the new bikes, that's what you get.
Okay.
Main shaft assembly.
Yeah. Looks like you got more room here for something.
Yeah, extra parts.
Put a reverse in there, huh?
Yeah, that's it. You know, we need a washer.
Washer?
What's the difference between washers?
Well, that one, I've seen that one. It goes down the end, doesn't it?
You got big
These.
ones. You got big ones and small ones. That's the difference.
That's like a shim right there.
So you got big hole and small holes. This one's big too. This is thick. These are small. Small goes on counter shaft.
That's the counter shaft.
That'd be counter shaft. This goes on counter shaft too. These are small. These are big here, so they go on the main shaft.
Okay, the main's big.
Okay, this one sets your in play, so it goes right here.
I have seen that thing. So.
Okay, this one here keeps the bearings inside the motor. It goes inside the tranny. So if you take this, like that. You see how snappy right in there?
Yep.
Might have to turn the light on a little bit.
Get on there. What's
There you
wrong
go.
with me?
You're on. You're on.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm on. See how you lit up in there?
Oh, okay.
See how you got a snap ring in there?
Mm-hmm.
See how it has a groove right here?
Yeah.
So the bearings can come right out of there if you're not careful.
Oh, yeah.
So if you put this in there,
That's it. Retain.
it stops them from going out that groove right there.
I bet I've done this fucking 20 times.
So that goes in there like that. So now the bearings can't fall out.
Yeah, right.
Well,
You heard of this new thing? They got gravity.
they can still get out of there if it chews itself to pieces, but normally
Well, if you don't drop one out
it
in the
doesn't
process of putting that in,
work. That's extra.
laying on your back, on your side.
Okay, so what I do, I got grease in there. Look, that's just grease.
Mm-hmm. You're gonna grease everything in here, huh?
Well, that helps hold the washer to the shaft, so when you pull this whole thing out,
Mm-hmm.
the washer might come out.
Right.
But you want to make sure it's lubed also.
Does Castrol make that grease?
No,
That's their brand, though, isn't it?
this is Funk's.
Silkaline. That was one of their names.
This is English.
I know. I got some of that Castrol oil, and it says Silkaline on it.
Ooh. I don't know. Now, these are your bearings over here. Now these are your old bearings, which were relatively new, because they had 20 miles on them.
Well, if they were new then, I mean, we're assuming a lot here.
No, they were new because you can tell by the wear on them.
Oh.
See, they're nice and shiny.
Mm-hmm.
That means they actually did replace these.
If you say so.
Now the bearing race look good too, but we're putting a new main shaft in it, so we don't know what size we need yet. Now you can go and measure all this crap, and still hope it's round and straight,
Or just stick it in there.
or just put it together and see what it feels like.
Yeah. Sounds like a plan to me.
I find it's more accurate to do just assemble it, because usually these case races are pretty far out around, like a couple thousands.
Hmm.
And they don't have any really material to work with to hone them out any better. And it's hard to hold the hole in the case over the hone.
So you like my clamp I made out there, huh?
No.
No.
It had grooves in it.
I cut a groove in the middle so you could bend it. That
Yeah.
stainless is hard, man.
That's right.
Didn't want to kink it, man. That's engineered, dude. That was like a miracle. That was like God spoke to me and he said, "Thou shalt make a groove."
How come we're missing some rollers?
I don't know.
So how many did you think you were missing?
I was guessing there was about, was it 19 or 20 of them things?
Yeah. I know there's more than this because we're missing
Yeah, I know. You need
something.
more.
So what size is that one?
You want Mike to look for something back there? Did you look? We already look good and everything's there.
Yeah, I'm not going to waste my time looking through that box anymore. I'm going to measure it. It appears that we are 556 almost.
Would that be a standard size, boss?
We are 555.9.
That's standard size, right?
I think it is.
Yeah.
It
I know
appears
they
that we're
make
missing at least one,
I know they make them
maybe
oversized.
two. So we have to go find a couple rollers.
Okay, I'm gonna shut her down.
All right.